In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall JBL Headphones app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So whether you're using an iPhone or even an Android smartphone, you can remove this app from your phone. In my case, I'm on Android smartphone, and the quickest way to do this is just to go to your apps, and once you have the list of all your apps here, just long press on your app and you should see an option to uninstall it. This is the quickest way to uninstall this JBL Headphones app. However, if you don't see this option, you should go to Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. And now you should see we have an option to uninstall this app when you search for the app. So you can see it is already installed here. And if you want to uninstall it, just tap on uninstall and then confirm that indeed you want to uninstall. So this will remove the app together with its files from your smartphone completely. If you go back to your apps, now you can see the app is no longer among the list of apps that I have on my smartphone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall JBL Headphones app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.